next unboxing is Samurai Pegasus. Itong box niya. Maliit ang space ko. Yeah, buksan natin sa ilalim. Pahiga. There we go. We have spin track and sticker. Ripcord. Zero G launcher. And Samurai Pegasus. Ayan, balik natin siya muna. Shucks. Ayan. Buksan natin si Samurai. Baseball, Pegasus wheel, Samurai wheel, and ooh, nice. Rubber. Cool. Kabit natin. At ito yung tool niya. There. Tapos yung tip rin. Shucks. Muntik na mag-stuck. Kabit na ba? Kabit na. Okay, now let's show all the Pegasus generation. We have Storm Pegasus. Kaso nagsira tip niya, pinalitan ko ng bago. We have Galaxy, Big Bang, Wing Pegasus, also Wing Pegasus, and finally Samurai Pegasus. I complete the Pegasus set. Yay!